Okay, here's the video of the 1974 TA. Kind of give you the rundown of it. What's what? That's a candy apple pearl. Not sure the number on the pearl right now. Front end has some aftermarket parts. Obviously the grill I had made on eBay. Got a little spot there where I run my hood latch. I did myself. Number plate, if you don't get it, it's actually 3 words. KM is a word, GT is a word, and ME is a word. I'm sure you can figure it out. Aftermarket hood. As you can see, no door handles. I'm going to be having door poppers installed as soon as I get the doors finished. Come around the back side. These are aftermarket fender flares. They were built in Canada. As you can see, they wrap all the way around the wheel. That's pretty much for the custom on the outside of the car. Now I'll show you the inside. This is my son Spencer. Someday he'll be ripping the tires up on this when he gets older. Okay, the interior, I've got some roll bars. As you can see, they wrap all the way around. A guy on eBay made me these felts, all Velcro. Steering wheels aftermarket, made by Grant. I got a TCI Outlaw shifter. Dash is all original. Still in really good shape. Aftermarket mirror. This is the other side of it. Let me see. Aftermarket seats made by Hunsaker Sports. I've got some racing seat belts. It's a 5-point, but I'm only using 2 for now. Motor's got a 455, board 40, lots of horsepower, 750 double pumper. We'll start it up and I'll go to the back and have my son rev it up for you. Push it right down like that. A couple times. As you can tell by the noise, there's no mufflers. I can actually legally get away with that right now. The door panels aren't quite finished yet. Like I said, I'm going to be putting in some door poppers, electric windows, and glass. I've got it all. It's just a matter of installing it. So that's about it. Maybe later I'll have a video of just going for a cruise. Catch you all later.